9 things you should be eating for better focus. Food and the nutrients they provide are the building blocks of our bodies and minds. Properly fueling your body is the perfect way to make sure your mind is ready to take on the day. 1. Blueberries. Eating these tasty berries will not turn you into Violet Beauregarde, thankfully. But studies have shown that blueberries do contain antioxidants that can boost memory and improve focus for hours after eating them. 2. Green tea. Sipping this delicious beverage will give you a boost of caffeine and L-Theanine. When caffeine and L-Theanine are combined, they work together to improve alertness and focus without the dreaded crash that typically comes a few hours later. 3. Avocados. It's no wonder social media influencers are preaching the benefits of avocados. Filled with good fats and fiber, they enhance blood flow and other, flows as well. Better blood flow means a healthier and happier brain. 4. Leafy green vegetables. Antioxidants, carotenoids, and B vitamins. All of these individually and combined help with memory and focus, as well as protecting your brain and giving it the nutrients it needs to replenish after a long day of work. 5. Fatty fish. Consuming a serving of fatty fish, such as salmon, trout, or sardines, has been shown to increase memory, mental performance, and lessen issues such as mood swings and fatigue. This is all thanks to omega-3 fatty acids, something that's abundant in several types of fish. 6. Water. Your entire body is made up of water, and it's no surprise that it depends on it. Drinking enough water daily can aid in memory, focus, and creativity. Be sure to find your happy range of daily water intake. 7. Dark chocolate. Before you get carried away, it only takes a small serving of dark chocolate daily to reap the benefits. Caffeine and magnesium combine in this decadent treat to stimulate your brain and release the feel-good hormones, endorphins, and serotonin. Both give you energy, focus, and a positive mood. 8. Flaxseed. These tiny seeds are filled with goodness, such as magnesium, B vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids, and even fiber. Grinding the seeds gives your body the ability to digest them fully and to benefit from the mental clarity and focus that comes from them. 9. Nuts. Nuts also contain a number of health benefits. Protein, vitamin E, and amino acids are packed into a 1-ounce serving, giving you less cognitive decline and better focus throughout your day. Filling your diet with benefit-packing foods can sometimes seem complicated, with the newest superfood changing daily. However, small additions of these 9 foods can allow you to reap the benefits of small changes.